My name is Grishma Unikrishnan. I am one of the founders of MedPrime Technologies. So we are an Indian company based in Mumbai. We are in the medtech space, and more specifically, we are into digital microscopy. So we have two range of products. The first is the Silica digital microscopes, which is an innovative technology that we have developed and patented, and now we are manufacturing and marketing. So it is formed using an integration of tablets with microscopy. So typically, where previously you would look at the sample through the binocular lenses, here you can see the sample image on the tablet screen without any loss of field, any loss of magnification, resolution, and in addition, you get so many more features because it's digital. So you can capture images, you can record videos, you can share the data, you can project it, you can even get remote consultations and second opinions by sharing the image or live streaming the sample instead of actually shipping the sample to another location. So that is the common USP of all Silica digital microscopes. We have a huge range of products within that. And after that, we moved on to our second brand, that is Micalis, which is a whole slide scanner. So where Silica is used for, like, you can look at individual fields of the sample, in Micalis, it's all stitched together to create one whole digital, one big digital image which represents the entire sample, which can then be stored online, or you can share it, or you can even use it to use AI to assist in diagnosis using those images. So that's pretty much what Micalis is about. So we are new to Nepal. This is our first time here, and we are really liking it so far. We feel like there's a lot of similarities between the demographics and even the medical, the sectors between India and Nepal. And we're really hoping to see some good business come from Nepal. Thank you for the suggestion.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time, and thank you so much for tagging to digital media. Thank you, ma'am.